Today, I'm going to introduce you digital product that you can earn close to 311,000 just by selling this product. What are we going to do in this video? First of all, we go to find the best and the best-selling Etsy products by searching and analyzing the competitors and find our ideal product among the other products. As always, we get help from ChatGPT to find the best-selling and popular Etsy ideas that we can have the best choice in the product, and we can think about high incomes from these products. After choosing the product, we create an example of the product with Canvas. Because our product is digital, any product we choose, we need to make it with Canva. We register the product on the website and again generate the title and description of the product with ChatGPT. In the last step, we will tell you some tips about how to sell better on the Etsy website. Well, we enter the Etsy.com site, and with a general look, we can guess that this website sells products such as calendars, planners, necklaces, earrings, decorative items, etc. In order for us to be able to sell products on this site more easily and without any problems, we should go for digital products. Now, why should we choose digital products? First, you don't need to send the product. You don't have to worry about sending the product. It's also expensive to send the product. Second, you can provide digital products to the customer completely free of charge, and you will not pay any costs yourself. But for physical products, you need to pay a fee to prepare that product. Third, you make a product once and sell it several times, and you don't need to spend a lot of time for each customer and send the physical product to them. After doing a lot of research, I realized that products that can be printed are much easier to prepare and sell more. So, to select my product, I write the word printable in the search box to see the top results of this section. I see a lot of good products here, such as calendars, birthday cards, wall art, stickers, etc. In my opinion, all these products are suitable for starting. For example, I choose printable planner. I filter based on top customer reviews. I choose 2 of the best products in this field to find their similarities. As you can see, both of these products are ADHD planner. So, if I make a product similar to this, the probability of my success will increase. Both products have close prices, and this shows that the price of this product is almost $15. And one golden point that you may not be told in paid courses is the discount. Now we're going to ask ChatGPT about the top Etsy printable products to make sure that the products we have chosen are the best. Well, as you can see, the ideas that I choose are among the ideas found by ChatGPT, and it means that 100% of these ideas will be the best choice. Of course, we also found the rest of these ideas that ChatGPT found in the initial search, so it means that all the ideas that we have found so far for our products can make a good and the best-selling product for us. Now, with the information we got, we are going to make a product for ourselves. I use the Canva website to create products, which is completely free. First, create your own account, and after that, write the word planner in the search box in the template section to find ready files related to planner. Really great! All these beautiful planners are here that you can use very easily and personalize them and sell them. For example, I choose this planner because it's very cute and beautiful. I click on the Customize this template button. Now we can make the changes I want in the method. And after that, from the Share section, we click the Download option, and the file type must be PDF. And after that, by clicking the download option, we get the output as a PDF file. Well, now we have a product that we can sell. We enter the Etsy website to create a store step by step. From the website header, click on your profile and select Sell on Etsy. Click on the Get Started button. Click on the Let's Do This button. This section is related to questions that ask how you get to know Etsy, and you can skip this section. We will skip this section as well. Click on Start Your Shop. Enter your place of residence, language, and currency in this section. In this section, we need the name for the store, which we can easily find with ChatGPT. In this section, we must enter the details of one of our products. We use ChatGPT for the title and description. Well, now it shows us the product, and we can create another product with the Add More Listings option and pass this step with the Do This Later option. In this section, you connect your bank account to the website and do the rest of the steps in the same way until the products are made. With these few tips, you can have better sales on Etsy. Find a niche product in your area and focus on it. For example, make an ADHD planner for children. As I said before, put a discount on your products, that the audience feels that if they don't buy this product, they will lose the discount. Pay attention to the trends of the day. For example, 1 or 2 months before the beginning of the year, try to sell New Year calendars. Or another example is to design and post special cards a month before Valentine's Day. Well, this was from today's interesting video, which is a very good way to earn money online, and if you create a successful product, you can sell your product for years and have passive income from your products. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.